Hello viewers, welcome to SKTV. You're watching Prime Time English News. First, the headlines. Justice Nomikapam Koteshwar appointed as Supreme Court judge, becoming the first Manipuri to be elevated as judge of the apex court. Unidentified miscreants carry out gun attack at the residence of Naharolgi Thaudang editor Koirom Loyalappa. Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh gives assurance to provide final update on the whereabouts of Hijam Hemjit and Linthungambi Hijam by July 20. And Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education H. Gyan Prakash writes to Vice Chancellor of Manipur University requesting for provisional admission of DMU students in their master courses. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform SKTV in Manipur that can be watched globally. Now the news in detail. Centre today appointed Justices Nomikapam Koteshwar Singh and R. Mahadevan as judges of the Supreme Court. Justice N. Koteshwar Singh will become the first Supreme Court judge from Manipur once he is administered the oath of office. Union Minister of State for Law Arjun Ram Meghwal made the announcement on his X account about the appointment of two new judges of Supreme Court by President of India. Justice Koteshwar has been serving as Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court since February 2023. Justice Nomikapam Koteshwar was born on March 1, 1963 in Manipur. His father, late Justice N. Ibotombi Singh, had also served at Guwahati High Court and was the first Advocate General of Manipur. Justice Koteshwar briefly practiced before the Supreme Court of India before shifting to the Guwahati High Court. He was designated a senior advocate by the Guwahati High Court in 2008. In 2011, Justice Koteshwar was sworn in as the additional judge of the Guwahati High Court, and in 2012, he was made a permanent judge. He was appointed a judge of the Manipur High Court upon its creation in the year 2013. He was later transferred to the Guwahati High Court in 2018 before being elevated as the Chief Justice of J&K Ladakh High Court. On the other hand, Justice R. Mahadevan has been serving as Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court since May 2024 after he was elevated as Judge of Madras High Court in 2013. Once they take oath, the Supreme Court will regain its sanctioned strength of 34 judges, including the Chief Justice. In yet another incident of gun attack, unidentified miscreants fired few rounds of bullets at the residence of Naharolgi Thaudang editor Koirom Loyalappa at Imphal district's Kontha Kabamelekai near Laiharopam. The incident occurred in the wee hours at around 12:20 a.m. today. Even though there are no reports of any injuries, 6 bullet holes were spotted at the gate following the incident. Editor Loyalappa was not at home when the incident happened at his residence. A team of Haingang police inspected the site today and recovered 6 empty bullet cartridges. A case has been registered for further investigation. Meanwhile, editor Koirom Loyalappa maintained that there was a news report that was published in Naharolgi Thaudang in newspaper last month, and on the same day the security escort that was allotted to him was removed. And on the same night he was tailed by an unknown vehicle on his way back home from the newspaper office. Koirom Loya has been staying at Naharolgi Thaudang office at Keshampat, but for the past 4 or 5 days, he has started staying at his residence at Kontha Kabam. Koirom Loyalappa has urged anyone who has got personal issues to inform him upfront, while also expressing his resolute stand to not compromise his journalistic ethics.
Nongalam dai pung tarani thuiga minute kun ahing nong yai chapchana hai tare adoi da ai get sida masakhang da mi khara la kan da with sophisticated weapons kapa jane na amni na yungi angang ri tare da ada imong fina ingonda phone tore sorana baro makhai adai taramane nongmayam kape akhoi keta male ado sum khudong thiba nangani karigi wajana wakhanje khalaganda ai kanada sumta lan kitri kengna kanam si leite karigi no ingonde thmai tori sena phaw hai tare get si yo kanda get yo pon matam de get se nongun madu nga ngaram Manipur da freedom of expression se masi mapung phana phangda bani mamang de gi hona hogi paumi maya mam si gi ba yaw khre journalism da taina bagi thabak se dum recently adum lai hai tare aduna as freedom of right freedom of expression ji phangna na bu hona ba da journalism ji aduki matik waje singna base kari haidong ai ngasi bomu da kana amtaga ai confrontation to bolete ai gi professional lines da any mi khudi ma ai gi maru ngakta ni akhoi da yekna ba thamte akhoi di phajaba paw for kanda laiba ke kanaga da ba miyam gi kanaga da ba aduk ba mayam du to kanda lejaba group ba mane.
Security advisor Kuldip Singh has reportedly given assurance to provide detailed reports on the progress of CBI investigation about brutal killing of Phizam Hemjid and Lintuanganbi Hijam by July 20. Former Minister A.K. Mirabai informed about this development following a meeting with security advisor today. Speaking to media persons, A.K. Mirabai said she, along with GAC members, met Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike yesterday and demanded a status report on the CBI case. Governor then arranged a meeting with security advisor for them. In the meeting today, security advisor Kuldip Singh gave assurance to share some details on the progress of investigation by CBI by July 20. Mirabai also informed that the security advisor also gave strict direction to Assam Rifles to give a response about the investigation. A.K. Mirabai further maintained that GAC will decide further course of actions after July 20 by duly consulting with public. It may be mentioned that Phizam Hemjid and Lintuanganbi Hijam have been missing since July last year, but pictures of both the students went viral in social media platforms in September last year with purported bodies of the students. This incident created uproar among people in the state, resulting in widespread agitations demanding justice for the two students.
Ngarang Madam Governor na takpi bagi matungina ay security advisor unaraga CBI gi objik bagi present status khangan ge haibagi matungina ngasi se koi pung 13 taba matamda security advisor Kuldip Singh unaraba matungda aikoina pami ba demand mayam sindo mongonda mata sidadana hairaba matungda aikoi gi di tang kunmari da makoi gi anniversary day haibado dai makoi gi mathau mangam pangthokna bagi numisida mathau mangam pangthokna bagi da makta sigre natra sangre haibagi tangdangwa asengba ama khangan biu karigumba laigidare haiba taragadi phi machet am tawrabasu saru machet am tawrabasu aikoi pibiu haiba demand je yam kanna hainare makoina tang kun phawbagi manungda asengba ngami natra ngamde haibagi poto chapchana aikoi pau pira age haidun telephone number la hore maruda meli Assam Rifle instruction achobama tawre soidana tang kun phawbagi manungda di positive response ama phangadra haibagi thajabadu aikode pira ma soidana ki pigani haidana aduga loinana karigumba phangdaba taragadi aikoi tang kunmari da aikoi kari tawgadage haibaduti makha taba aikoi hojite haigiroi haidana sumana thamami.
Now, the residents of Mongbung Meite village found 3 bombs which are suspected to be hurled by Kuki militants on July 14th towards a combined team of CRPF and state police at the village under Jiribam police station. According to our Jiribam correspondent, it is said that a bomb was found at the residence of Ngangbam Chandrakumar situated at Mongbung village today around 12 p.m. Later, 2 more bombs were also found at the premises of Surchandra Meite and Santa Meite. Among the 3 bombs, 2 are unexploded ones. Subsequently, a team of Jiribam police swiftly arrived at the area and collected the bombs safely. According to police, it is said that the bombs are suspected to be hurled by Kuki militants from Sejang village towards the security forces who were positioning at Mongbung Meite village. The villagers are continuing with their search for more bombs at suspicious areas in the village. A team of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) visited violence-hit Mongbung Meite village in Jiribam district today. The team observed that the village is situated in a vulnerable area which is prone to frequent attack from neighboring Kuki village. Speaking on the sidelines of the visit, Assistant Coordinator of Kokomi, Joychandra Konthokjam, expressed disappointment over seeing minimal security in the village as there were only 8 VDF personnel and 1 constable to protect 400 villages. He assured villagers to draw the attention of government towards prevailing condition and also to apprise the government to provide adequate security in the area. Villagers also expressed their wish for government to make necessary security arrangement for the protection of the village before they themselves take the matters into their own hands. Now, as Dhanamanjuri University continued to be mired by crisis, Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education H. Gyan Prakash has written to Vice Chancellor of Manipur University to allow students of Dhanamanjuri University who have cleared CUET exam and also those who have not cleared the exam to take provisional admission in postgraduate courses in Manipur University. The Commissioner also gave assurance that students will be able to produce their certificates and mark sheets when Dhanamanjuri University issued them in August 2024. On the other hand, Controller of Examination DMU TH Jayanta Kumar also issued a notification informing that the result of 5th semester exam will be declared on July 22nd, while the result for 6th semester exam will be out by 3rd week of August. Meanwhile, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Manipur has submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike and Chief Minister N. Biren, highlighting the plights of students in Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of ABVP Gautam Philem maintained that the memorandum contains various demands, including the issues of Dhanamanjuri University. ABVP Manipur demanded government to expedite the appointment of Vice Chancellor for DM University, MTU and MUC. They also demanded for timely declaration of MPSC exam results. Other demands include opening of colleges in every districts that offer undergraduate and postgraduate courses, timely dispersal of scholarship for students. Gautam Philem further maintained the Chief Minister also gave assurance to hold a meeting with all principals of government schools to discuss about welfare of state-run schools.
ABVP Manipur na tungan ba chhatra singgi issues mayam ama aikoina ngarang Honorable Miss Anusuya Uike amadi Honorable Chief Minister unajari Memorandum of Understanding MOU amasu sign tawraga akoina ngarang Honorable Anida pijarami NDP 2020 si Manipur state ta athuba matamda implement tawina bai damakta akoina hajarami hojik chhatra singni thengnari problems kaya Imphal mayon khaktada master PG की लेवल की यूनिवर्सिटी सिंग लाइबना मरम मोरकांदा तोंगान बा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंग दे लाइबा छात्र सिंगदा PG तंबगी अवाबा खुदोंचादा मैम मयोंग ना पुना मरम मोरकांदा कोइना लाइबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंगदा PG तंबा याबा कॉलेज अमामतंग लिंखतपिना बा हाइना अदुगी दमक कोइना हाइजामी लोइना DM कॉलेज की मतिक चाबा BC हापक्त्री अदुना मरम मोरकांदा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम दा असोबे क्या लापदगी ngasi छात्र कया अमा पुंसी मांगबा याबगी अकीबा लेपना मरम मोरकांदा कोइना ngarang si तोंगान बा हिरम क्या अमा पुखलाकांदा मखोय सिंग अदुबुसु केरियर मांगदनबा अदुगा permanent vice chancellor habidi regular vice chancellor madu happy deba ta koina hangacharo matamda hantak lagiba august fawagi manungda hapakpa yai habigi thajaba adu khoi da thambirai.
Student bodies in Jiribam have strongly condemned the incident of arson at Babukhal Primary School in Jiribam district's Chinkoipung by armed Kukis on the night of July 13. Manipuri Students Federation MSF, Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam, Kangleipak Students Association KSA, District Council Jiribam and the student body that is based in Jiribam district have demanded the arrest of culprits who were involved in burning the school. Addressing media persons in this regard, representatives of these student organizations have demanded government to safeguard education sector from violence so that future of students in the state can be secured. They urged government to take necessary actions against the culprit at the earliest. A 47-year-old man from Kangchua Chiru under Imphal West District reportedly succumbed to his injury on the way to RIMS Hospital yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Marangir Chiru, son of Soneng Chiru. According to police, Marangir Chiru was allegedly picked up by suspected cadres of proscribed KCP PWG wing, but at around 8:30 p.m. last evening, a team of UNC and Kokomi intervened and facilitated for the release of Marangir Chiru. As family members became suspicious for injury, Marangir Chiru was brought to RIMS, but he reportedly died on the way to the hospital. A team of Imphal West District Police seized articles related to banned outfit KCP PWG from Kangchup foothills under Lamsang Police Station in Imphal West District today. According to a police report, the state forces carried out search operation at the area from 3:10 a.m. to 4:30 a.m. During the operation, the team seized 11 army helmets, 10 camouflage pants, 18 camouflage shirts, 5 army scarf, 11 jungle boots, 4 camouflage caps, 6 BP covers, 6 mobile handsets, 2 hair sack bags, a demand letter and a letterhead of the outfit, 1 notebook of the outfit, 3 shoulder flaps of Manipur rifles, 1 rough attendance sheet, 1 badge of Manipur Police Commando and 1 iron rod including 1 baton. However, no arrests were made during the operation. Time for a short break, but we'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
SKTV की जूनियर सब एडिटर की अहांग फम अमा कौजरी महई की थाक मास कम्युनिकेशन नत्रगा मरी लेनबा लमदा डिग्री नत्रगा ग्रेजुएट ओइगदबनी कुपसन खंगबा ngamba amadi sindok sinjin haiba oigadabani atenba amadi akaknaba matamda thabak fazana yangna tawba ngamba strong communication skill amadi teamwork skill leiba oigadabani interest leiba candidate singna updated oiraba resume adu recent passport ka loinana email hr@sktv.news amadi whatsapp number 7005259437 asida thazin birakpa yagani natragana sangai pro mamang laikai airport road ta leiba SKTV news ke office ta lakpa yagani khudong chaba simang han biganu ngasimak apply tawbiho.
Welcome back, and in further news, a combined security force conducted search operation at Moltingcham village under Sugnu police station in Kaching district today. According to a police report, it is said that based on reliable input from 165 Territorial Army Thokbal, a combined team of Sugnu police station, Kaching Commando unit and 37 Assam Rifles conducted this search operation from 10:45 a.m. to 11:55 a.m. During the operation, the team seized 1 local made rifle, 2 Bofeng handsets, 1 Chinese hand grenade, 1 Lethod shell, 1 pistol magazine, 2.3 Note 3 magazine chargers, 1 grenade key, a 2-inch mortar shell wing, 14 9mm empty cases, a misfired round of M16, empty case of Insas rifle 7, 4 empty cases of AK rifle, 7 empty cases of 7.62 mm SLR rifle, 5 empty cases of .3 Note 3 rifle and 2 local made Pompey launcher. Following the seizure, a case has been registered at Sugnu police station for further investigation. Meitei Alliance has condemned the ambush carried out by Chinkuki terrorists against combined security team on July 14, which resulted in the death of 1 CRPF personnel and injury of 2 state force police personnel. According to a press release, the alliance condoled the death of CRPF personnel and showed solidarity to the bereaved family. It claimed that 12 security personnel have been killed by illegal Chin narco terrorists. It also appealed to the central government to take necessary actions against the Kuki terrorist groups as the first step to restore normalcy in the state. Maira Paibi members of Tera Lokrakpam Laikai today condemned the bomb attack near the residence of 1 R.K. Kanta at Nainasang Club Khaidim Lerak. In a protest staged at Tera Lokrapam Lekai Ninasang Club, Paunam Sanahanbi and Mairapaibi expressed strong objection over the bomb threat by unknown miscreants. Condemning the frequent bomb threat and attacks carried out at residential areas, she further maintained that such attacks will only create hatred and enmity within the community. She further sought clarification from the group who were responsible in the attack.
सुमाइना मिरक्ता करी मरम की तत सिगुम बना ते जादा ममोंग ता दब मिसिंग बिना थोक या बलाय बक तिप थोक थोक अनब कई दिद मक्ता तोबी बनो सि अदोमना नुगाय तब कना गुमम द लैरे ना खलगा सो अदोमना लैरे बा बिसा को नुपा थोंना थेंना बियो नुपी थोंना थेंना बियो नसा नसा की इंडिविजुअल नुगाय ना दब लैर गदी नसा नसा इंडिविजुअल थेंना बना तना पब्लिक की अदु गुम प्लेस सम द पदो बिना ओ बम दा थोक थोक तो फाइदे की लेबा मसा ता दब फाइदे की सोम मी ने दो ए थम जनी सिगुमना अखोय मसेंगी मरक्ता नुगाय ना रोय दब गेप लेनर गदब मोंग से तोबी गनो अदुना अथु मतम दा हयंग फावगी मनोंदा सिगुमना हौकिबा तांग 13 की नुमिदांगी पुंग 13 मिनिट पुरोम ताबो मतम द थोंगनिंग दब थोकिबा बोम पोकाय मगी थोदोक्सिदा हाथेंना तौबिरमी बाइचिलिनाव सिंग माइ चा सिंग दो कना कना नो करिनो हाइबदो मयक सेंना लेगा मियाम ने सिंगतो पिरो करिगुम सिंगतो पिरक्तब तारगदी मतुंग थोलकवा लेकाय जु थोलकवा सिगुम थोनिंग दब थोदोक्सिगा मरि लेनबा सिंग चेनब खुदिमक लेकाय मियाम ने लौरकवा मतम नु थोकप खुदों थिबा थोदोक्तो अदोमी नसाना याना अदुम लौबियो हाइना थमजरी अमदि थोक्सिन थौरांगसिना नोंग नोंग ममागा मसागा गेप लेनरको मतमदा नखोइना ngani mamana isingni haibese khangbiyo haibo wafamsu thamjari.
A house in Imphal, Ward number 12 under Bishnupur district was gutted by fire at around 4 p.m. yesterday. The house, which belonged to 58-year-old K. Bijanti, reportedly caught fire due to electric short circuit. Bishnupur Fire Service arrived at the spot and managed to save some parts of the house. However, the owner of the house has claimed that properties worth over 20 lakh rupees have been destroyed by the fire. Chief Medical Officer Imphal East District, in association with Community Recreation Center cum Library Ningom Thong, carried out free health camp at Basikong Kitnapanung Community Hall today. A total of 84 people availed health benefits and medicines during the medical camp. The health camp was organized as part of government's efforts to detect health issues following the flood. According to report from CMO, 43 skin-related cases were found in the health camp. Kashampa Thiamlekai Development Club and Sija Eye Care Foundation jointly organized a free eye screening camp at Kashampa Thiamlekai today. The free eye screening camp was organized under the aegis of NPCB NHM. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Kashampa Thiamlekai Development Club, Chongtham Iboyaimas, said the free eye screening camp was organized to give some relief to people who have been going through hardships due to year-long crisis in Manipur. A total of 150 people registered for the eye screening, and those needing cataract surgery will be referred further to CJ Eye Care Foundation, where their operations will be carried out free of cost.
Akoi club asina leptana chathajarakpa free medical camp CJ Hospital RKI Foundation ga koi sinjaraga kusamnaraga pangthok chapase ngasiga thana tare laksubani koi gi pandam de Manipur da hojik thoi irang asina maram oiraga sel thungi phibam je asukki mate kham thena waraba aduga lekai si akob de leiriba ahlaman sing maibel sing punamak hospital chatpagi khudong saba kya walakpa aduga senthok lerakta ba maram asina oiraga koina si kitang ko nanabagi pandam da hairiba kemasi pangthok sabani kemasi da koi ketrek ngodong ba tengnaraga di hairiba myoi singa de chu si hospital na lemna operation tawgi khudong chaba chu bijari maram asina koi club na siumba kema se makhata na su sathajagini miyang bia kanabagi damakta ai wapam chumida gi thong thamjari.
And in some weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 31 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 23.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 92% in the morning and 66% in the evening. And that is all we have for now. But before we end, here are the headlines once again. Justice Nomikapam Koteshwar appointed as Supreme Court judge, becoming the first Manipuri to be elevated as judge of the apex court. Unidentified miscreants carry out gun attack at the residence of Naharolgi Thaudang editor Khoirom Loyalakpa. Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh gives assurance to provide final update on the whereabouts of Hijam Himjit and Linthonganbe Hijam by July 20. And Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education H. Gyan Prakash writes to Vice Chancellor of Manipur University requesting for provisional admission of DMU students in their master courses. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyc.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment section. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri News with Menaka. Don't go anywhere.